Hey everyone, welcome to Sophie's Kitchen, your favorite spot for easy and delicious recipes. Today I'm bringing you a classic snack with a twist, caramel popcorn. It's sweet, crunchy and guaranteed to be a hit at any party or movie night. Let's dive in. To make this caramel popcorn, here's what we need. Half cup of popcorn kernels, vegetable oil and a pinch of salt. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's pop our popcorn. You can do this in a heavy pot with a lid or an air popper if you have one. Heat the pot over medium heat, add some vegetable oil and then the kernels. Once they start popping, give the pot a gentle shake every few seconds to keep them from burning. When the popping slows down, take it off from the heat and pour the popcorn into a large bowl. Next, we are making caramel. For the caramel, you will need half cup of sugar, half cup of butter or margarine, half cup of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla. In a saucepan, melt the sugar over medium heat until it dissolves and changes color to a light brown color. Add the milk and keep stirring until it reduces to half and is thicker and bubbling. Now, let's mix it all together. Use a spatula to gently fold the popcorn, ensuring every piece gets a coating of that delicious caramel. Once it's evenly coated, give it about 30 minutes to set and you're good to go. And that's it, your caramel popcorn is ready to enjoy, perfect for a night in, parties or whenever you need a sweet treat. Thanks for joining me on Sophie's Kitchen. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. And if you have any other recipes you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy snacking.